Maji, tara vlog tayo. Letting the person in front of us decide what we eat. Tara. Wala akong magawa! Guys, we're suspended again! And mag-vlog na lang tayo. Vlog na lang tayo, tara. Letting the person in front of us decide what we eat. G.
Letting the person in front of us declutter for us.
Okay, let's go. Kuya Alex, first stop, McDo or Jollibee? Tama yung kain, boss, Kuya Alex?
Number 1.
Yes! Number 1! Where did I put my wallet? Is it with you? Can I order whatever the ano daw? Yeah, sure, of course. Hello po. Can I order what the person... Yeah.
Guys,
Wala po! Kinalitoy! Wala po!
Pagawa sa Bea. Walang pagawa. Wala.
Hi mga kapeti! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's vlog, I will decide... Ano daw? I will let the person in front of me decide what to eat. And if there's tira-tira, and I'm sure there is a lot of tira-tira, ipapamigay namin. So ayan guys, a while ago, I wasn't ready at all kasi I literally woke up and I was like, magva-vlog ako today. And finally, itutuloy ko na siya. Dapat may kasama ko si Fukirat eh. But I'm gonna do it with Kuya Alex and my friend and Mama G. But before that guys, I don't have any makeup. Hindi, I have makeup but blush, tint, and mascara lang. But for the face, I don't have any base makeup. So, before tayo kumain, before tayo mag-drive-thru, I will of course inom first this Hope C Plus. Ito, vitamin C. Pang-pa-booster siya. And Hope Glow Skin Pro. Ayan. I will let the product do the talking about my face. Tingnan nyo naman, glass skin. Hi! But yeah, I will inom this first, guys. You can take this before or after meals. Ayan, check out yun na sa yellow basket ko. I'm gonna leave a link down below. So, let's go. Inumin ko na muna to, guys. Guys, again, before or after meal, religiously every day, may mga nagsasabi na dito, effect ganyan. Of course, mga kapeti, you need to drink it kasi every day. Dapat religious and consistent kayo. And then may nag-comment, halata daw hindi ko iniinom. Guys, ito na po, oh, no cut. I'm gonna make inom it. Chill. Okay, let's go. Are you hungry na? Mama G? Are you hungry? Ako, I'm hungry, so let's go.
I hope they order a lot.
Sabi ni Ate Grace, she's gonna uwi na daw. Pero hindi. Susama ka sa akin, Ate Grace, dahil may senior citizen ka. And of course, alam ni Ate Grace na lagi kaming kumakain, di ba, Ate Grace? We always eat, di ba? If there's one thing about me, gusto ko laging busog yung the people I'm with. Right, Ate Grace?
Right.
Yes. Pero when I'm on a diet things, you know. Shut up. Let's go! Michael! So guys, may inaya ako. Kasi dapat, aalis kami later, pero ito na lang gagawin natin.
Umulan, suspended.
Ano feeling mo? Are you feeling happy today?
I do not feel any pressure right now.
So guys, anyways, I haven't introduced pa pala my car. So meet Mon, mga kapeti, ayan. Fully paid titanium. Hoy! Okay, let's go! Where's Kuya Alex? Kuya Alex! We're gonna do a vlog.
Yes.
Are you excited? You know what vlog we're gonna do?
Ano?
We're gonna eat!
Eat, okay.
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Kuya Alex, first stop, McDo or Jollibee? Hoy! Hoy! Ang nonchalant mo, sis.
I don't know.
Okay, Kuya Alex, McDo or Jollibee? Kasi yun yung mga may drive-thru here, right? So, I think... Mama G, McDo or Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Ate Grace, McDo or Jollibee? Ate Grace, McDo. Kuya Alex, McDo or Jollibee?
Jollibee.
Very indecisive. So, Jollibee, okay. Mas mauuna naman po ang Jollibee, diba? Right? Kuya Alex, why are you so tahimik?
Ay, bola, training.
Okay, so let's go to Jollibee first. It wasn't raining a while ago, kaya I thought, okay, mag-vlog. So mga kapeti, just a short story. Just a short story. Actually, sinusumpa ko tong Jollibee na to eh. Alam mo bakit?
Bakit?
Ba't mo may racket? No, cause may history. May history kasi ako sa Jollibee na yan. Cornelius Street ko. Cornelius Street, Jollibee! So, ayan guys, we're going na to Jollibee. Thank God it's not that traffic today. Have you eaten already?
Nope. Ikaw, ano na nagawa mo?
Sorry, I edited. And later, I'm gonna do my schoolworks and declutter. Ikaw, Ate Grace, have you eaten?
No.
Yay! Kuya Alex, have you eaten?
Yes.
What? You eat na? Kuya Alex, di ba, you know me, kapag kasama mo ako, we always eat. As in, bihira lang yung times na hindi kami kumakain. Right, Kuya Alex?
Right.
Am I a kind boss? Ano ba yan? What's that? Am I a kind boss, Kuya Alex?
Number 1.
Yes! Number 1! Okay. So, mga kapati, before tayo mag-drive-thru, since pag ano, nandito na yung mall, let's go first muna sa mall and then drive-thru. So, ang meron here is Popeyes. Burger King. Sige, mag-Popeyes and Burger King tayo here. And then, Jollibee, McDo, and then Army, Navy.
Wow, pag rainy weather.
kasi naman wala akong makadel eh. Ito na lang cravings ko.
Pagkain na lang.
What are your cravings ba?
Chinito na
Ayoko na sa mga chinito! Ate Grace, what are you craving for?
Wala.
Ba yan? You know what I want? You know what my favorite fast food is? KFC. I love KFC.
Wala dito.
Yeah, there's none. So, doon na lang tayo. Okay. So, ang kakainin natin here is Popeyes and Burger King.
At kung ano man makita pa natin. Uy! Uy! Ba't ako matawa?
Sige. Pag may nakita tayong pogi.
Nakausapin. Kailangan natin kausapin.
Okay. Let's
Ano ba
start.
talagang video to? Paiba-iba.
Eating my cravings na pogi. Uy! Okay. Actually, Kuya Alex, Ate Grace, yung truth is po, kaya ko kayo dinala sa mall kasi magki-can't say no challenge tayo. Joke lang. Ito naman yung mga reaction nyo. Hindi, guys, actually, sige na nga, ito na nga. Kaya tayo nasa mall kasi hindi tayo bababa. Mama G, pupunta tayo sa Switch. Kung ano yung binili nung person before me, bibili natin. Hindi pa today. Tara na, let's go to Popeyes. Ew, elevator etiquette, Michael.
Escalator.
Oh, escalator.
And the escalator.
Escalator etiquette, please. Kuya Alex, dito po kayo. Ayan, okay. Let's go to Popeyes. Hindi, what if nga, punta tayo sa Switch. Michael, punta tayo sa Switch, tapos kung ano yung binili ng person. Charot lang. Hindi pa today. Not today. Okay, let's go. Actually, dito muna tayo sa Kuya Korea kasi baka ma-order natin si David Licauco. Joke lang. Uy, chinito na matangkad with glasses yun. Wala. Usually, nandito sila eh. Pero today, wala. Ayan na, let's go to Popeyes. Very close to our heart ang Popeyes. Sana yung chicken tenders kasi I've been wanting to try the chicken tenders eh. Okay, let's go. Ano?
Kahit anong sabihin ni Kale Chari, bibiling ko.
Let's go. Ano ko order? Mag-isa lang siya. Feeling ko bitin to. Senior citizen ni Ate Grace, kailangan ko. Ate Grace, I need your senior. Huwag ka mawawala. Okay. I can't hear it anyways. I really want this. I want to try this. Diba I told you last night? Medyo kinakabahan ako to order. Okay, I didn't. When I saw it.
Say it.
Okay. Okay.
I know na I think you might like it.
Okay. Ate Grace, di ka pwede mawala cause senior and of course, we're gonna kain. Tapos yung mga orders pala ng mga tao na individual. Paano natin mapapamigay?
Ito na, kung individual, ask si Kuya ng a number, tapos times that number.
Oh my God! What did you say?
More challenge. I-ask, kapag single order lang, i-ask niya yung cashier or yung attendant if like a number. Kasi times yung order into that number. So kung 10, times 10.
Actually, yung totoo niyan, si Mama Gio kasi yung producer ng vlog na to. Hello po! Nahihiya ako. Hi Kuya, good afternoon. So, kung ano po yung in-order niya, yun po yung o-orderin ko. Okay lang ba? Yes!
Sasabihin Kuya kung ano.
Okay, sige. Yes, pero kuya, choose the number. 1 to 5. 1 to 5. Okay, 3 orders of that.
Yung order kanina times 3.
Yes. Yaman! Wait, kuya, of course, meron kaming senior tsaka PWD. Senior po.
What's your guess?
I feel like it's a meal. Chicken tenders. No. Chicken tenders? Okay.
I'm covering the screen.
Kuya Alex, senior. Wow, sasakyan ni Kuya Alex. Sasakyan. Ate Grace, asan yung original senior? Nasa sasakyan ni Kuya Alex. Yaman, Kuya Alex. Uy, I badly wanna try this.
Uy, there's naman.
Really? Buksan mo nga.
May naman siya.
Wait, total bill. Okay, total bill is...
473.57.
Times 3 na yun, so it's onte.
Whew, okay, thank God. Okay, kuya, wait. Where did I put my wallet? Is it with you? Gagi, yung wallet ko, wala. Okay, kuya Gcash. Guys, I forgot my wallet. Kinakabahan ako. Kuya Gcash po. It's not there. I forgot my wallet, guys. How stupid. It's not here. Yes.
You didn't make paabot eh. I only have the
Yeah.
key.
Huh? No, it's okay. Yaman. Yaman
May
talaga
car
ni
na, may
Kuya.
cash pa.
Ang yaman. Yes, Kuya. Panoorin niyo to, Kuya. Mag-hi mga kapeti kayo. Hi mga kapeti, Kuya.
Hi, mga bet.
Yay! Okay. Picture. Thank you po. Thank you.
Magawa ito si Bea. Walang magawa. Wala.
Mga kabeti, I got my wallet and then medyo traumatized na kasi sa mga nawawala na wallet eh. Live update, nawala yung Chanel wallet ko sa Uber and I can't contact the Uber. So we're just here walking. Let's go! Burger King and then drive-thru na tayo. I'm honestly so hungry na. Hi po! Ate, can I order what the person... Yeah, yung last order ng tao. Yeah. Ano, individual ba?
Solo order lang tayo.
Okay, ate, choose a number. Number between 1 to 5.
1.
Okay, lang. 1 order lang, ate. Thanks. Hala, may dip na naman. I love the fries in Burger King. Do you like it here in Burger King?
My favorite. Kasi grilled eh.
Oh? Ako yung lagi ko in-order dito is yung chicken. Ayan, si Kuya Alex umiinom na. What's that? What's this?
Coke.
Kuya Alex, hindi ka nag-rice pero nagko-coke ka. Kaya nga, chill. Senior. Ate Grace, senior po. Si Ate PWD na nga. Ate, what did you say? Ate, ano sabi mo, ate?
Nag-drink ako ng beauty meal.
Okay, tapos may dala siya. Ate, go, pakita mo! I love it. B influence. Ate, how much po? 85? Wait, ate, okay na. I don't have barya. Ay! Pasabog! Ichigo pa yung iniinom niya. Ay! I love it. She a beauty milk connoisseur. May a big influence everywhere. Huy, okay. Sorry, autograph. Ito na po yun. Ito na siya. French fries. Sana French fries. Oh, I'm so hungry na eh. Guys, additional potato corner. Sana Tera yung in-order niya.
Sabi niya, she want fries. Eh, gusto ko rin. I suggested potato
Kagabi niya
corn.
pa yan sinasuggest yung potato corner. So sana kita kami dito. Potato corner!
Favorite potato corn.
Sweet corn.
Cheese.
How about you?
Sour cream and barbecue.
Gusto ko lang kumain. Kaya saan yung order natin sa Burger King? Ito na pala yun. Guys, it's so small, oh. Nagda-diet. Sorry, sila yun. Sila yung nag-take advantage sa akin. Ate, o-orderin po namin yung last order. Kung ano yung in-order ng tao before kami. Wag mo sabihin, ate. Surprise. Yes, kung ano din yung flavor. Okay, ate. Ate, bigay ka ng number. 1 to 5. Sige, 4 orders ng ganon. Sabi, ito na lang meron kaming senior citizen and PWD.
Okay. Mega tapos 4.
Sana malaki.
Sana malaki.
Okay, after this, let's ikot na. Ay, pogi ba yun? Matangkad lang. Mukhang bata, no? Ay. Sorry, guys.
Cut on, come on.
No cut yan. Hindi, actually, guys. Kaya kami pumupunta sa mall minsan para makakita ng pogi.
Namimisil ako ng braso.
Ikaw, aminin mo. Pumunta tayo sa mall para makakita ng pogi.
Hindi dito.
Saan ba meron?
Sa Rockwell.
Ito,
Mahirap. Mahirap. Thanks, ate. Magkano po? Barbecue and sour cream! Yay! Pwede yung isa sweet corn. Ate, pwede yung isa sweet corn tsaka cheese. Sorry guys, hindi ko mates. I love sweet corn. Lalo na natin. So, you want cheese, no? Pwede bang ano?
Anandadaya na sila.
I don't care. 4 naman yan. Pwedeng cheese, sour cream, barbecue, sweet corn. Individual. Ayan, kainin nyo yung lahat, ah.
Basta akin yung isang mega.
Yes. How much, ate? 467. For 4 mega. Kung hindi pa ako lumalagpas ng 2K, ah. Hindi pa nga ako lumalagpas ng 1.5 eh. I love this challenge na. So hungry. Wait, I can't anymore. Sisilipin ko na kung ano yung mga pagkain na nandyan. Ate Grace, can I see? I can't anymore. I'm hungry.
This is the reveal.
This is the reveal.
Alam ko na.
Okay. Walang fries. Okay, so 3 ganto. Oh my God! Chicken tenders.
There's fries?
The dip is
It's
hot ranch.
Ah, wait.
Okay, let's try it. Kumain na dito eh, no? Guys, try na natin. Dito na to. Okay, so merong... Ate, sorry, nakikain na kami here. Ay, ang dami nilang binigay na dip.
Baka binigay lahat.
Ba't ang dami? Isang bit lang yan.
One piece.
Hot ranch and garlic.
parmesan.
Masyado akong na-excite. Munguna na talaga siya. Ikaw talaga ang gutom sa atin.
Sounds nice.
Thoughts?
Wait.
This one's better. This one's better, I swear. You like spicy, right?
Yeah.
Kaya na yan.
Ikaw, Titi.
Hindi ko matitikman yung sauce.
Okay. Sorry, I double dip.
Tayo lang din naman kakain.
Interesting.
Hindi, I like this one better.
Garlic parmesan.
Okay.
Okay, I'm pretty happy. Masarap yung garlic parmesan, no?
Sarap. Sobra. Grabe. Ang sarap. Ba't ganun?
Kahit parang gusto ko pa ng chicken tenders.
We're eating fries while ordering fries.
Fries, yes. Okay, ako na. I want more chicken tenders. Okay, Alex.
So, Bea, what song is currently stuck in your head?
Adore me, hold me, and explore me. Alam mo yun? Ikaw. I'm so na-na-na. Ikaw, what song?
Always by...
Daniel Caesar? Why that?
Wala lang.
Naging chikan! Why that?
Wala eh.
Potato corner things.
Umuulan, senti.
Kaya inaya kitang kumain sa labas para hindi tayo magbukmok. Kasi, so dami. Sabi, ate, I love you! Ito po yung sweet corn. Sweet corn. Sweet corn supremacy. Yun na?
Ikaw kasi, pan mo muna. You should blow it first or else you'll bite your tongue.
Nakabahan ako. Ay! Tinig pa ba? Na-excite ako. Not gonna lie, I'm busog na. This is barbecue. I love sweet corn. Grabe? Grabe. Close up yun, close up yun. Close up yung subo niya.
This is how you eat potato corn. This is how it
Ate Grace, kain po. Lahat dito dapat kumakain. Kuya Alex, kain. Here.
Wala, Pogi.
Kala ko.
Pogi.
Yung nag-drive?
Ang tanga, late ka na.
po makita. Grabe, kahit tinted, nakita niya pa.
Wala, nabangga niya yung cone. Oh no, the cone.
Ate guys, you can eat the Popeyes, ah. We have 4 flavors. We have sweet corn, cheese, barbecue, and sour cream. I love the garlic parmesan. I'm gonna try garlic parmesan. Garlic parmesan and sweet corn. This is good. Should try.
Tigil ako sa food. You're putting potato corner in that?
Yeah, it's good.
Anong lasa niya?
Kuya Alex, Jollibee. Jollibee! And then McDo. Yum, yum, yum. It's good.
I'll try.
Try it with...
No, I won't try it with cheese kasi baka nakakaumay siya.
I'm gonna try it with cheese.
No.
Mama, do you try dipping it?
Sweet and then it's sweet again. Ah, garlic.
Ay!
Oh.
May pa nun.
I-dip what? Whatever.
Ate girls, kain! There's Burger King here.
Parang isn't it overpowering na?
Okay, fine.
I mean, yes, it's good, but it's not something that I'm good.
Ate girls, pati naman nakagat dahil sabihin nila kung ginugutom kita. Ito na yung Jollibee. Okay, anyway. Straight Kuya Alex and then turn left.
Oh my gosh, nakakatakot. Kita mo yung taas ko babangga. Ay, ang baba. Oh my goodness. Nakabahan ako. Laki kasi ng kotse.
I like my cars big. Uy!
Ay, Land Cruiser! Naku po! Ito na, Bea. Mapapasaba ka.
Eh tapos,
Naka-Land Cruiser.
sorry, naka-diet siya. So, ang in-order niya lang is Diet Coke.
Ano, let's bet. Do you think it's a single person or a family? I think it's for a family also.
Sa
But it's
bagay.
full.
It's 2.
Oh, it's merienda.
Sana palabok! If that's palabok, I'm gonna eat palabok. There's Burger King here pa.
Ito, hawak ko.
Yeah, Burger King.
Nice lang.
Ay, oo nga, hindi pa ni-reveal.
Ay,
It's Whopper.
4 cheese ba o Whopper lang?
Whopper lang.
Ay,
Kasi 85 pesos lang. Whopper Junior.
hindi
Favorite
siya.
yan ni Kuya Alex. Can I order whatever the whatever the person in front of me ordered, okay? Don't tell me, ate! Ate PWD. Ay, senior. Ito na. How much? How much? Ay, ate, choose a number between 1 to 5. 4. O sige, ate, 4 orders ng... Yes. Ate, may gagamit na din akong PWD kasi 4 yung sinabi ni ate. See, I told you guys, diet siya. Diet is nag-Jollibee.
Baka hindi. Baka nanay, sinusubo yung anak gutom na.
Eh, gumawa na siya ng story. Bakit
Diba?
ka maging writer sa Wattpad?
Hindi, ang order niya
Hindi, kaso suspended.
270. Ikaw, ate guys, what do you think it is?
Burger.
Burger. 270. Ikaw, Kuya Alex, what do you think it is?
Chicken.
Chicken. I think it's besides something with chicken. Yeah. 708. Thank God for my PWD and senior. Hi, Kuya. Thanks. Gusto ko to.
Wala.
Because I read the receipt.
Ay, no surprise.
Ay. Ang dami niyang in-order. Ang dami nga, oh.
Ang dami doon mo.
Ang dami. May nuggets
Oh my
pa.
gosh, there's Jollibee nuggets.
Nuggets and then chicken sandwich. But this isn't the chicken
That's
witch.
not the chicken, yung
The
Jolly
main.
Witch. Jolly.
Oh, nauna na.
So, their order is nuggets. Nugget.
Okay, McDo. Daming food. Ate guys, what do you want? Bigyan natin si Kuya. Bigyan natin siya.
Kuya, kumain ka na. Kain ko kayo.
Eh, ang bait ni Mama G. Okay, Kuya, let's McDo. Can I try the burger? Hala, gutom pa rin ako. I haven't tried this yet. Let's try this. You wanna try na lang? I won't finish this.
I hope
I'm
you
just gonna
order
try.
iced coffee.
Gusto ko ng ice cream. Dahil marami na tayong pagkain.
Hi, ate. Can I order what the last person ordered? Yung in-order ng nauna sa amin. 2 quarter pound. Ay! Ano sabi na? Sige, ate, go. Okay, thank you. Let's go, quarter pounder. Go, Kuya Alex. This is good.
That's it? Quarter pounder.
Sana meal. Sana may drink.
Sana may fries.
Guys na naman. Hi mga kapatid ko si Ate Betty! Yay! Okay. So what's your realization?
I realized, hindi lang ako yung nagtitipid because people aren't ordering drinks. Either they're trying to be healthy or grabe na talaga yung economy.
Personally, I don't order drinks talaga. So, I think it's a mix of both. A mix of both!
Socio-economic ano?
Hi, ate. Good afternoon, ate. Dinala. Okay, thank you. Hi, ate. Thank you. Yeah, sure, of course. Hello po. Thank you, ate. Mag-hi kayo sa vlog ko, ate. Hello po, mga kapatid. Nagkakasay ng katipunan. Okay, guys, let's go next to Army Navy. Anyways, guys, walang nag-rice.
Yeah,
It's puro snacks. Nuggets, tenders, fries. I mean, obviously, we have to take a corner. Because it's merienda time. Kaya pala. Actually, maganda yan para mas marami tayong mapapamigay, di ba?
Ikaw, what do you eat for merienda?
Don't really snack anymore. I try my best to not snack. Ikaw ba?
Burger.
What are you guys gonna eat? Mama G, what are you gonna eat?
We're gonna eat the quarter pounder.
Mama G will eat the quarter pounder. I think Kuya Alex likes quarter pounder. Kuya Alex, do you want the quarter pounder? We're gonna tabi it for you. Okay. Okay. Yung isang quarter pounder kay Kuya Alex.
Laki. Grabe. No, ikaw na. Make it run.
Yum.
ASMR.
The
There pa.
Army Navy.
There pa. Malayo pa. Uy, White Plains.
Why? What's... I don't... You guys see me reacting? Michael, you know this is your fault. I want ice cream na din tuloy,
Ako
but
rin, I
no.
want ice cream para pampatanggal buhay.
No, we can't have ice cream. Nice. Hindi din matcha, mama.
Alam, ang sarap din ng matcha, mama. Huwag ka na nga magsalita.
Ano ba? Dami mo lang kinain. Aren't you full yet?
Kaya nga eh, yun nga yung weird.
We can go to Matcha Mama later. Pero I don't wanna order whatever the person in front of us ordered. I wanna order what I wanna order. Ate, can I order what the last person ordered? Okay po. Okay. That's it. Doon na lang na... Wag mo na sabihin, ate. Okay lang. Hi, ate. Hello po. 395. At 335. Ayan na. Thanks, ate. Kare-kare burrito, guys. I thought it was veggie burrito. Ba't mo ba kainin? Kuya Alex, what did you say?
Sukura ako.
Na-empacho. Na-empacho na daw siya.
Pato na ako.
Kuya Alex, what did you say?
Mabigat.
What?
Talo pa na nag-rice ka ba? Mabigat. Ayun, suko.
Enjoy ka?
Nakatas na kami ko, suko na.
Michael, kaya mo pa.
Yes, maliit lang yung pantog ko.
What the hell? Ikaw, Ate Grace, kaya mo pang kumain?
Kaya pa.
Ay, si Kuya Alex suko na. And anymore. Ate Grace, kumuha ka na po ng sayo nang iti-take out mo or iuwi mo kasi papamigay na yung iba. ER! Kuya Alex wants to daan sa ER! Nabusog ka nga, Kuya Alex. Ikaw, Ate Grace, nabusog ka?
Ang bilis ang sagot ako.
Ito pa, oh. Math after math.
Nasusuka na ako, guys.
Impact niya.
Naubos ko yung isang bucket ng potato corner. Tapos
Parehas tayo, di ba? Naubos ko rin yun.
Hindi nagkakanin si Kuya Alex pero nakaubos ng potato corner. After this, papamigay na natin, no? Ate Grace, is there anything that you like to take out? Okay na, you're busog. This is yours? This is yours? Okay. Wala ka na kakainin. Si Kuya Alex nag-take out. Yung Jollibee, can I see? Madami yung Jollibee, no?
Oo, yung burger saka yung nuggets buo yan.
Okay, yung burger and nuggets buo.
Yung ano, kunin ko.
Yung quarter pounder. Okay, so we have nuggets, we have iced coffee to give, and burger. So guys, gonna make ikot-ikot later, pero for now, we're gonna take a break. So be right back. So mga kapeti, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want more, just comment down below. Michael, did you enjoy? Thank you for being part of my video.
Thank you.
Ate Grace, did you enjoy?
Yes.
Mama G, did you enjoy? Kuya Alex, did you enjoy?
Ang
taas! Ang taas!
Diyos ko, nag-skid yung gulong. Kinakabahan ako. Parang Final Destination.
Okay guys, see you later. Bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Bye! Mwah!
It's recording.
Parang I wanna order everything that they ordered.
Bibilin ko to.
Bibili ko yung branch.
Kuya, pogi nga niya, no? Pogi siya. Pogi.
Pogi. Ay, Diyos ko.
Magiging meme to.
Nanay niya yan. Nanay niya yan.
Hindi, oo, nanay o ate.
Nanay niya yan.
Hindi, ako, tayo bahala.
Ate niya yan. At guys,
Oo.
safe.
Ay, ang gwapo rin itong isa, yung nasa Taylor, tignan mo. Yung nakakap, ayan o. Ay, ang gwapo, ang laki ng katawan. Ay, sorry po.
Wait, who are you referring to? Yung naka-blue?
Oo, yung naka-blue. Ito, ay,
Pogi din tong isang nakaupo eh.
Hindi
May
talaga.
tint ba to? Baka mamaya kita tayo.
Oo, may tinto.
Sige.
Hala, ang pogi niya talaga. Wala ba akong pabango dyan? Wala.
Guys,
Wala, pogi na nito. Ito. Hala, black niya.
pogi din tong nakaupo eh. Yung naka-dark blue or naka-black.
Hindi pogi.
Hindi po.
Wala.
Pogi din, pogi. Pero mas, ay!
Gagang ganda ng katawan.
Picture tayo pagbaba.
Okay. Ay,
Dalawa sila, di ako makapili.
Ate, ay, ang pogi. Oh, ate niya nga yan.
O,
Ay,
diba?
umuulan.
Equal. May payong ako. Bakit? Tatawid tayo.
Mag-check ka nga dun sa tailor kung may
Sige,
bibilin
sige.
ka.
Check ako. Bibiling ko lahat.
Ang pogi niya nga, tumitingin siya.
Oo, diba?
Yung nasa tailor.
Oo,
Mukhang
oo,
daddy,
ako.
no?
Gagi mo kasi may ari.
Pogi,
Parang nagbebenta.
parang siya. So mga kapati, we're looking for street children or basta yung alam namin kailangan ng food. Sana meron tayong makita because it's raining. Is it still raining? Actually, it's not raining na kailangan natin ito mapamigay.
Tignan mo yan.
Uy, Kuya Alex! Kuya Alex! Kuya Alex! Kuya Alex, hindi pogi! Kuya
Baka kala niya kinikidnap natin. Kuya Alex naman.
Ano trip ni Kuya Alex eh? Si Mama Chica.
Oo, may pa. Kumain ka na ba yun? Tama naman yung sinabi niya.
Paano kung kumain na? Hindi natin ibigay.
Kumain ka na pala. Pag oo, kumain po kayo. Pag hindi, ayan sa
Tama na tayo sa pogi!
Alex, nasi-stress ako.
Chaotic! This is so chaotic! Uy, ay hindi, matangkad lang. Kuya Alex.
Ay, tumatawid.
Yun nga, tayo tinutukoy niya.
Tinutukoy ko!
Ay,
Kuya Alex!
Okay na yung dalawa?
Sige naman.
Saan? Ay, ito naman, Kuya Alex. Kala ko naman sinito talaga eh.
Katawa.
Ayoko, tingnan mo yung soto. Kung ano.
Ito tanong mo
Ayoko
kung
ito.
gutom.
Pero ang tangkad. Ang tangkad nila.
Hindi pa naliligo yun eh.
Ayun si Nanay! Sakto!
Ayan!
Ayan yung
Kaso bilisan mo.
Nay, ito po. Food po. God bless po. Yan, nakahanap na tayo. Kasi puro pogi hinahanap eh.
Doon.
Binata ka ba
Kuya Alex naman.
Kuya Alex, ang pangit!
Bakit?
Ayun na yung si Nanay.
Ito.
Ay!
Shit!
Natapon!
Tapon! Yung ulan ko!
Mabaho.
So, mga kapeti, grabe yung rain. So, nakapagbigay naman kami for some, sa mga nasa streets, pero ngayon kasi since it's raining, wala na sila. We decided na lang, ibigay na lang sa mga guards, sa mga mechanic, sa janitors here sa building. Ayan, thank you so much Ate Grace, Kuya Alex, for being here with us. Sana nabusog po kayo. Empacho daw sabi ni Kuya Alex.
Hindi ko magpa-ER.
Okay, let us go. Sabigay na natin kay Kuya. Tropa ko yan actually si Kuya. Lagi siyang nagha-hi sa akin. Kuya, pang merienda po. Ang dami yan, Kuya. Happy eating! Thanks, Kuya. Hi ka, Kuya, sa vlog ko. Sabi ko tropa tayo eh. Di ba tropa tayo? Thanks, Kuya. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye!